Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will enjoy this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Okay guys, so today I am so very super excited because this is my seasonal fall lantern collaboration. So you guys know that I host this collaboration for each season, and this time this is fall, and this is like second year because I think I started doing this fall last year. So this is our full year of doing each season. So yay, I'm so super excited. And I am excited to see all of the videos of the participants because guys, you know they are going to bring it. So be sure to check my description box down below so that you can get lots and lots of more ideas and inspiration on how to decorate your home using lanterns or with lanterns for this fall season. So guys, if you are interested in seeing what I've done and you see my beautiful display here, then let's just jump right into this video. Okay guys, so we're starting in my entryway, and this is a credenza that I have in the entryway just below my cross wall. So as you can see, it's pretty simple here right now. And now I've added in my large lanterns that I did pick up from the at-home store after Christmas, maybe 3 or 4 years ago now. And I've already put some magnolia leaf garlands in that one. And here is the one that I'll be using for this lantern. So I'm just going to fold that in half and tuck it around the candle that's affixed to the lantern, just like that. And then you did notice that I had some green moss in the bottom, and that's because I just have that there to cover the very bottom of the tray because I don't like that to show through. So that's how the lanterns look so far. Now here I'm showing you guys that I've added in a fall leaf garland with a willow stick, I guess is what it's called, pumpkin. And so I'm playing around with this to see if I like it. So I'm bringing you guys in a little bit closer so you can get a closer look at what I've done. So I just added a bow to the top of the pumpkin with a couple of fall picks there to give it a little more volume. And then I have the bottom just wrapped around with the fall leaves. So I think that I'm going to keep it kind of simple like this. I think this is a nice punch of color, but we'll see. So here are the items that we'll do with the next one. So I'm showing you guys there. I have several garlands there, but I'm not going to use all of those. So, and this is how we're going to wrap the top of that lantern with the garland and just sit the pumpkin right on top. Really simple and easy. So as you can see here, I've used the garland to just wrap around the top of the lantern. Really easy. The garland is wire inside, so it bends easily. And I didn't even have to lock it on there. I just bent it into place. And so we have our pumpkin that already has a few little fall leaves on it. And we're going to embellish it with this pick that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I should say these pumpkins are from the at-home store also after fall a couple of years ago. And this is just a pick from the Dollar Tree or maybe Walmart. But that one is from Hobby Lobby. So I'm showing you guys how we'll just add that on the top just to embellish a little bit more. And here we have it. I did also add a burlap bow that I picked up from Walmart. And that's it. Easy and simple, but very pretty and impactful. Also guys, those pumpkins kind of nestled down perfectly into the top of the lantern, so that worked out awesomely. So those are my entryway lanterns. Very pretty, very simple, but elegant. And I will decorate this the table there in another video because I just set some items there, but that's not how I'll have it decorated for the fall. But so be sure to check back on the channel to see that video a little bit later. So now we're in the living room, and I'm going to decorate my coffee table with lanterns using this wreath that I made using a Dollar Tree tree form and garland that I just wrapped around it. So it's a wreath form wrapped with garland, so it made a wreath, and I'm going to use it as a base for my lantern. So in my lantern, I did fill it with some glittery pumpkins that I picked up from Walmart a couple of years ago. Or they maybe even came from the Dollar Tree, I'm not sure, but one of them. But they're just sparkly, glittery pumpkins, and I used them there because I really wanted them to be able to pop and you could see them, you know, from a distance. So I thought they looked perfect. I filled it up completely with those. Now we'll work on our topper, and this is a bow topper that I made last year for a different lantern, and I thought it would look really pretty with this one. I really love the white ribbon with the green and the orange ribbon, and it seems like I'm kind of doing a theme of orange and white this year, so this went perfectly. So I'm just fluffing it up a bit here to get it ready to be added to the lantern. Now that we have our bow in place, I'm using some fall picks to create a more embellished look. So I'll just use these chenille stems to tie them together, and then I'll use one to affix it to the back part of the lantern. So these are just some stems and picks that I picked up from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. So there's some glittery acorn ones there, and then some fall picks with fall leaves. So I'm just going to use the chenille stem to tie this tightly together and just simply tie it onto the lantern behind the bow and create a topper look. And here I'm just adding the fall picks to the back of the lantern so that they'll rest behind the bow. So I actually decided to remove that and actually place the picks on first, and then we'll go back and add in the bow, just so it will be easier to make sure that the embellishments are affixed tightly so it doesn't fall off. So now I have our bow here, and I'm just showing you the chenille stem. Now I'll wrap all of that around the topper on this lantern. These types of lanterns make it really easy to add your bow toppers because the top lid of it has openings, so you can run the chenille stems through it, or you can wrap it around it completely, which is what I'm doing here. Now we have our bow topper on, and I'm very happy with how it looks. So we'll just pan down here a bit and see what we've done so far. We have our lantern filled with glittery pumpkins sitting on a base of fall leaves. So now I'm bringing in some larger glittery pumpkins that I did get from Walmart a couple of years ago. And guys, these pumpkins are amazing. They look so spectacular with all of the bling and glistening. It's just beautiful. So I'm just going to prop them along the base of the lantern here. And here I have some coasters. They are marble coasters that I'm going to use as a pedestal so that we can set this next gorgeous pumpkin on it. I think this is so very pretty. So I have them in different colors, and I think they were only like $6 at Walmart. So very pretty, and they coordinate with the little ones inside. So now we'll just continue to adding a few more pieces. I have this candlestick that I picked up from Ross. It's just a simple white candlestick that's perfect to use as a riser, and I'm using it in this case for this candle that is from Bath and Body Works. It is Campfire Donut. It smells amazing, guys. It's one of my favorite fall scents, and the packaging is beautiful, so I like to use it in my decor a lot. But I have several of these candles that I use to actually burn and for decor. So now we have this little owl that I picked up from Dollar Tree years ago. It's a little mercury glass owl, and it's really cute. So I think we needed something right up front. So we'll find a perfect spot for him, and I think this look is complete. So I really like how this lantern display came together, but you guys know me, I like to play around with looks, so now we're going to switch it up a little bit and do a second look. So here I've added a smaller lantern that is identical to the larger one, and I place it on top of those coasters just to rise it up a little bit, and I also used a coordinating bow, and I think it looks really cute. And we brought our little owl back there so he's perched just in front of the lanterns perfectly. And guys, I have to say, I think I really like this look the best. I really love these white lanterns. They were from Lowe's a couple of years ago. My husband picked them up for me. And so now here I'm showing you how it would look if you wanted to bring back in your candle and have it there as well. Although I probably wouldn't burn it because it's very close to the ribbon on the lantern. But it looks really pretty on this display. So it's an option. And here is another option, which I think is my absolute favorite. It is another blinged out pumpkin, but in a chocolate brown color. So I really love how it pulls all the colors together. And yeah, I think this is my favorite look. I think it's so very pretty. I love all the bling, but I also like the kind of farmhouse vibes we're getting from the tray and from the lanterns themselves. So I'm really happy with how this look came together. And I must admit, I'll probably move this around to another part of my home. But for now, I think it's perfect. But you know how it goes. Until I'm ready for my home tour, things will change around a bit. Quite a bit until we're ready. But I think it looks really pretty. Leave me comments down below to let me know what you guys think. Also guys, leave me comments down below to let me know what colors are you using for fall this year. As I mentioned, I am so in love right now with the orange and white. And of course, you know, I'm going to add some accent colors here or there. Like in this display, we have gold as an accent and the chocolate brown. But let me know what colors are you using. There's so many to choose from, and I think they're all just so gorgeous. So I'm excited to be having white as a crisp look in my fall displays this year. Okay guys, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. It lets YouTube know that you guys like this type of content, and they push it out to you and other viewers so that other people that are interested can see it as well. Also, be sure to leave me a comment down below, because that also helps me out tremendously, not just with the YouTube algorithm, but also for me, because I love seeing your comments. And it just really encourages me to want to keep bringing you really great quality videos. So leave me comments down below to let me know what you think about my lanterns, and if you are as excited about the fall season as I am. Guys, with the quarantine and everything going on, and just everything that's going on in the world, there's a lot to be sad and disappointed and upset about. And so for me, this is just a little ray of sunshine during some dark times. And so I hope that I'm able to brighten your day just a little bit. So it really brings me joy to bring you content, and I really do appreciate it when you guys watch, comment, and share it with all of your friends and family. We are on a mission to reach 25,000 subscribers. I'm hoping by my birthday, which is in December, but I believe we can do it sooner than that, because we're almost at 24,000. So we're only about 1,500 subscribers away from reaching our goal of 25,000. And you guys know I want to do a huge giveaway. So I'm going to probably do gift card giveaways, because I don't want to try to ship boxes and everything with the mail going on. So yes, be sure to encourage all of your friends and family members to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have them here, especially if they love all things home decor like I do, and a little bit more. You know, I like to sprinkle a little extra in there as well. Okay guys, okay. So again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching the video in its entirety. I hope that you will go ahead, click the subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so much. You are so near and dear to my heart. I really do appreciate all of your support, and it's amazing to me that there are 23,000 people following me on YouTube. Like, I never ever could have imagined that we'd have this many people, and I know that we can push forward and bring more along to join on our family. Alrighty guys, so I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.